Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create rules in your Outlook. Okay, I'm using Outlook 365. So our rules is a very important in Outlook. Okay, so rules you can create for your requirements as per your requirements. So I will show you how you can use your use rules in Outlook. So I will show you. So let's start with the video. Before you start, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me go on my Outlook. So guys, as I told you, rules is a very important in Outlook if you're working on professional. So there is a something you needs or requirements of if you are having lots of emails and you want to manage your emails. Okay, rules basically create for if you want to forward some emails or particular emails from someone to the particular folders, you can create a rule for that. And there is another you can another situation you can create rules for it. So I will show you how you can use the rules. Okay, so let me first you have to go in home, and here you can see the option under the move. You can see the rules option. So you can basically go to the manage rules. Okay, go to the manage rules and email rules. Under the emails you can see the mailbox. Okay, so if you are using more than one email box or mailbox or email in your Outlook, so you can switch the email here or mailbox, and you can create the rules for every mailbox like this. So I just choose this one. So I can see I have created 3 rules here as per my requirement. So this is for job alerts for LinkedIn job. So this is for if you want to move all emails from LinkedIn job alert to the particular folder. So that's why I create this rule. So I just remove all rules to show you again. Okay, so now in this mailbox I don't have any rules. So now I'm going to go to create the rules. So just go to create rules, and here you can see the templates, or you can say the some templates or rules or type of rules you can use as per requirement. The first rules is move the message from someone to folder. So this rules basically used for, as I told you, to move the someone's email to the specific folder. You can use for that you can use these rules. And these rules, if you want to move smash your specific word in the subject to the folder. Okay, so it is for subject line. If you want to move the message with the specific subject with to the specific folder, you can use this rule. And this rule for the send public group to folder, send the message, move the message sent to the public group to the folder. Okay, so this is for send message. Okay, when you send something emails to the someone, and you can also move these emails to the folder. This is for flag message from someone, or follow-ups, for follow-ups. Okay, you can make by default flag message from someone by using these rules. And this is for move RS item to specific RS field to the folder. Okay, okay, apply rules on message sent, apply rules for the message received. Okay, start from the blank rules. You can also start rules from blank. So I'll show you how I can use the first rules. You just click on these rules, and here you can just click the for the apply this rule. You have to fill this two section. First is the people or public groups. So here you can add contacts. So I just add this email ID. I can add this email ID. You can also add group also. I have 2 groups, 4 groups here, and 2 contacts. So you can add from like this. Just select and click on from, it will be add. Okay, you can also add manually like this. Okay, you can see I just add. Or you can use the comma here, semicolon, sorry, and type the another email ID. So I just use one email ID here. So if I receive any email from this email ID, it will be moved to the specific folder. So I just click on OK. Now I have completed the first step. Now I have to go move to the I have to go to the second step, which is folder. So now I have to select the specific folder where I want to move this emails from this sender. So just click on specified here, and if this is your mailbox and this is your folder, and if you want to see subfolder, you can see the subfolder here. Okay, you can create folder. Okay, if you have already create folder, you can select the folder directly, or if you want to create new folder, so go to the new here. But before that, okay, after new you have to select the mailbox if you want to create the individual folder, and if you want to create subfolder, that you have to select the folder. So I want to create the subfolder under this folder, so I have to select the folder. So now I'm going to I want to create the individual folder, so just select the mailbox and give the name. So I just give the name box like mail from netcast. Okay, so you can give the name as per your requirement. Just click on OK. The folder has been created. Now select the folder, click OK, and now this is a finish. Okay, for that you can finish right now, but if you want to use more rules, go to the next. So here you can see we have select this rules. There is another rules I can add. Okay, so with specific word also I can add with this in the subject through the specific account. Okay, where my name is this the to the box, send only to me. You can add the rules if you want. So whenever you add rules, you can see the one line will be add here. Okay, stop. Okay, whenever my name in the, okay, this is the by default, but if you want to make as a flag, so and flag up for action. Okay, so here with the specific word in the body, means email body, now you have to choose the specific word here, and here you have to write the word that and add the word. You can add many words here and just click on OK. So any emails with the specific word, it will be moved to this folder. Okay, so I just remove this filter. I don't want to add this remove. If you add this filter, then if this, you know, words not in this body, then it will be not moved to this specific folder, it will be moving inbox. Okay, so add any specific condition you can add, or if you want to finish, just finish it, or if you want to check more rules or condition, here you can see how do you want to with message. Okay, so it is moved to the specific folder I have add. Okay, assign it to category. You can also assign the category. You can delete it, you can permanently delete it. You can move the copy the specific folder. You forward the specific group. If you want to forward the specific group, you can forward it. Okay, there is a many rules you can use. You can also place, if you're using the phone, if you're using the Outlook in the phone, you can also create the condition that plays some particular sound. Okay, just click, and here you have to select the sound from here. There is a lots of sound. You can add sound from your computer. Okay, there is a not inbuilt sound, you have to add the sound from your computer. So I just remove it. Now just click on next. There is another condition, you can see select the expectation exceptions. This is an exception if necessary. If you want any exception you want to add, you can add easily. Okay, and just click on next. Now this is rule has been done, and if you want to run this rule for the already message in inbox. Okay, so if you have message already in your inbox from this mail id, and if you want to move this all message in this folder, you have to click on it. Okay, and if you want to create this rule for all account, for all mailbox, then you have to click on it. Now you can just finish it. Then the rule has been created, and just apply it. Rule has been gotten, the server cannot proceed with the action stop process. More rules will prevent all. Okay, actually I have already created the lots of rules with this, so I got this message, and just click on OK. Then the rules has been done. Now you can check your rules. Emails from netcast. Okay, so it will be moved, it will take time. Okay, this one, this is for same item. Okay, it will be moved this inbox definitely. So guys, I hope you like this video. That is how you can create the rules. If you want to delete the rules, go to the rules and just select the rules, and you can delete from here. And you can also create the rules for, move send the public, or the move the message with the specific word of subject. And there is a many condition you can use as I show you. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.